a small idea that has since grown and developed gradually into a full-fledged company. To date, we primarily deal with production and manufacturing of bricks, which are basic building materials and which are widely used in Kenya today for people who want to put up structures which are from small to medium-sized structures and buildings. We offer our services, our products to young people mostly because the prices and the cost of the products that we produce and we offer are very considerate with the market trends, and I'll talk to you about that in a while. But we also have these products that we offer to these young people, and indeed any other person would like to put up a structure, would like to build within the country, anywhere, not just in Nairobi itself, because we have the ability to supply and to send our products to other parts of the country. Because of that, delivery of request, and the cost structure and the prices, and also on the materials that we actually use to make the bricks, make us valued customers for our clients. We use clay as a raw material in making our bricks, and as you will also see in a couple of pictures that I'll provide, we do the manufacture and the production locally, and have teams that works on site constantly to be able to provide our clients with the best products, the best rate, and the best service. Now I'll give you a brief introduction of the products that we actually offer. We make this bricks in 3 grades. We have the small grade, we have the medium grade, and then we have the large grade. These, of course, have got different sizes and different prices as well. For the small grade, we sell a piece at approximately 0.3 USD. For the medium one, we sell a piece at approximately $1. And for the large grade, we sell a piece at $1.5. That is, of course, in comparison to the market rates that we have today for other bricks which are mostly built, constructed industrially. Our prices are way lower. If you take, for example, the medium grade bricks, which retail in the market for the industrial one, which retails in the market today at around $2.3 US. So you can see with that, we're probably, more than double lower compared to that price. So that gives us an advantage in terms of the unique value that we present to our clients, in terms of the prices of our product and the cost as well. But apart from that, our business is a unique business, especially in this time, because we are a viable business, and I'll tell you why. We have a lot of people who want to put up structures which fit their needs, but also which fit their structural requirements, and additionally fit the price range where they fall in. And this is where we come in. We are sure that our business is indeed a sustainable business, because such people are very many, not only in Nairobi itself, but also in the countryside. People who have limited resources, people who have limited expertise and abilities, but people who still want to put up structures and enjoy putting up affordable, strong building structures where they can live and their families can live, and indeed they can, convert it into any kind of premise for any kind of activity. So these are people that we are sure that we'll be able to maintain for the next 4 years from now, because they're many. They depend on us because of the low prices that we offer to them, but they also trust us because of the quality of the product that we offer to them. Given our products are based on clay type of soil, which has got very strong adhesive characteristics, and which then help us to make one of the strongest bricks for building, not only within the country itself, but hopefully globally as well. And in terms of it being viable, it is being viable because when we offer our products to most of these small scale builders and constructors and people who put up these structures, it's very easy doing and conducting business with them. And as I mentioned earlier, we always do pay on delivery. So then we can be able to consolidate our resources together and push up the business going forward. So we do not deal with a lot of debt, we do not deal with a lot of credits, etc. We work with people paying for our products on site and on delivery, right? And then finally, in terms of scalability, which is amazing aspect, especially where the business is going today. Our business is scalable because we believe strongly that the link that we've established with the local need-based people and the local need-based clients that we're working with is a link that is not only strong enough, but is a link that continues to grow and develop time after time. And I say this because given that our product is sourced, produced, and sold most of the time locally, we have an advantage to expand this local base. We have an advantage to bring in much more people and to include them in our product delivery and product supply, so that these are people who would not only get the benefit of our product sales now, but even in the future years to come. And then I'd also like to mention the bit of success factors for our business. Success factors, as I've mentioned, the fact that it's a business that has got a very high potential for improvement. And I mentioned that the reason for that is our local establishment. There are a lot of people who, because of their local establishment, have a lot of, they seek and they did have and achieve and establish a lot of identity with the products that we're offering. And our strongest value proposition, as I mentioned, are the costs, the materials that we use for making these bricks, which then now results to structural properties of our product, which makes them durable, strong, and also based on the fact that they are sourced, produced, and sold locally. I'd also talk about briefly as a finish. I'd like to talk about our customers. Our customers, as I mentioned, local people want to put up local structures, want to enjoy the local effort locally, and at the end of the day, still be able to produce something that they're actually happy about in terms of their build, the structures that they want to build, in terms of the houses they want to put up, and in terms of any other structure that they want to put up, which would require them to seek for the products that we actually give and offer to them. I believe that's all I want to say today, and for any queries, you can always contact us. We have, of course, an email address, we have the contacts as well, we have other means and ways of us being contacted, and we'll definitely get back to you, sort out your request, and be happy to deliver to you and to help you grow your buildings and your properties, as we also grow our side, the business, which then empowers us to sort out your needs more. Thank you very much, and once again, welcome to